USCE, United States Clinical Experience, gained during clinical rotations, completed in ACGME approved teaching hospitals in United States of America, is the most important and decisive factor in getting residency, that is PG in USA, and not USMLE marks. In fact, from January 2022, USMLE Step 1 is going to be just a pass or a fail exam. So nobody is going to get a 3-digit score like earlier. You should also know that clinical rotations can be done only as part of a medical curriculum. They can never be done after you have graduated MBBS, which means if anybody is promising you ACGME approved clinical rotations in USA after completing MBBS in Russia, China, Ukraine, India or anywhere in the world is lying. It's not possible. I know a lot of you may be tempted to complete your MBBS from Russia, China, Ukraine or these Eastern European countries. This is because you may have been promised by your greedy admission agent that you would get PG in USA after completing MBBS in Russia, China, Ukraine. This is actually incorrect. Just a little research, a look at an accurate data, and you would realize that they are lying. Just about 1 or 2 students from 1,000 or say even 10,000 students may get PG in USA after graduating MBBS from Russia, China, Ukraine or these Eastern European countries. So please do not get trapped in this illusion which is created specifically for you by some greedy admission agents who just care about their couple of bucks. They would play with your future. You would have better prospects after completing BSc in India than after completing MBBS in Russia, China or Ukraine. Selecting your medical college is the most important decision of your life. Please do not take it in darkness. Let it be taken in awareness. Pranam.